If you're looking to install plantation shutters into a coastal or beach-themed home, really you're trying to take something that's a traditional look and you're trying to kind of adapt it to that beach, maybe more modern or more contemporary style. A great way to do that is by using a hidden tilt plantation shutter. That is where they remove the front tilt rod that gives it that kind of southern or more traditional look, and they hide that tilt wand on the side of it or within the style of the shutter. It gives it a very clear and open view. And why that might be appealing for a beach or a coastal home is that you've removed that 1/2 inch wide tilt wand out of the center of your view and you've placed it on the side so that you can really maximize how open the shutters are. Another way that you could really open up that view so that you could see the water or beaches or any type of beautiful view is to go with a little bit wider louver. A 4.5 inch shutter louver is going to provide you with about 4 inches of space between those louvers, and there will actually be less louvers over the length of the shutter, really expanding your view and opening up for that beautiful beachfront or waterfront view. When you're exploring plantation shutters for that beach or coastal home, you're really going to want to pay attention to the material that shutter is constructed of. A good solid basswood shutter is going to be something that's going to hold up very well in that environment, but there are also another couple of materials that work well. You can use a composite shutter that's really designed to hold up well in high heat and high humidity situations. That might also save you a little bit of money as well. And we've done very well with vinyl or polyresin shutters. They're going to be something that holds up really well in salt air, really well in humidity. It doesn't warp or crack or fade. Might save you a couple of dollars because it's a little less expensive material that works very well in those high heat and humidity environments. Plantation shutters work well in beach homes. However, I think there are some better options out there. Most people really want to maximize their view if they're facing the water, facing a beach, or have an otherwise beautiful view. And a lot of people would choose a shade that would roll up in a headrail or stack up really tight at the top, where the shutter, though we can look at wider louvers and we can look at offsetting that tilt rod to really maximize the view, the best way is to put a window covering in there that disappears into the headrail so that you can really maximize that open view.